Tubers. There's a phone booth up here. Can't believe it. An old phone booth. There's the RV part of this campground. And then there's tents. This is where the campground host lives. They take care of the campground. It's not bad right now, but I'd hate to do it in the summer. Awesome view. He's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 solar panels going there. Okay, and a phone booth. I wonder if the phone really works. Let's see. If the phone works, I'll tell you. I guess it still works. I can't believe it. Yep, there's a dial tone, ladies and gentlemen. Can you believe it? 50 cents for a phone call. Wow. In Death Valley. Phone. Campground. Have a great day, everybody. Take care.